Learn how to change default download folder in Chrome. Firstly, locate the Chrome menu located on the top right-hand corner of your Google Chrome browser. It is presented as 3 vertical dots placed next to the URL bar. Click it to reveal a drop-down list. From this list, select the Settings option. Scroll down to the Downloads section. This action will reveal 2 options that are pertinent for changing your default download folder. The first option is a Change button. This button permits you to set a new default download location. It's ideal for people who prefer having their downloads saved in one specific folder. Simply click on this button and select your new default location. Also, keep in mind that this path will be used for all subsequent downloads until you decide to change it again. The second option is an option labeled Ask where to save each file before downloading. If you select this option, the browser will ask you to choose the location each time you download a file. This is particularly useful if you prefer to save different files in different locations. The browser will prompt you to select a location every time you commence a download.